everyone. Today I'm going to be assembling and reviewing the portable workbench by Black+Decker WM2258. Purchased it on Home Depot when it was on sale for $35. Right now it's $45. So you guys can wait and see if it goes on sale again. Most likely it will. So yeah, let's head out and get this thing installed. All right, these are all the parts: the two wood planks, the frame, and we got the pieces in plastic. All right, let's get this thing done. Alright guys, finally got done. I had to say, these are one of the worst instructions I have ever experienced in my life. And you thought IKEA instructions were bad? This is worse. There's literally no English explanation. The most trickiest part was over here, attaching this thing to the front where the step is. Make sure you select the right piece. Otherwise, you'll be scratching your head wondering what the hell went wrong. Anyways, other than that, let's check it out. Workmate 250. Let's see. Overall, I'd say assembling itself is really easy, other than the confusing instructions. Thickness and durability of the metal quality seems to be alright considering the price point. Let's see here. Other than that, for 50 bucks, these came from the factory like this. Might need some touch-up paint to prevent rusting. A bit of quality control issues here, but other than that, for 35 bucks, time to put it to use. Fairly lightweight. Let's put these legs away. Fairly portable. I'd say it's about 10 inches deep. Good enough to lean against the wall. And taking everything apart. Alright, this is going to be a pain in the ass every time. Alright. Fairly easy. I'd say less than 30 seconds. Alright guys, the portable workbench WM2258. Hope you guys liked that initial setup and initial review. I'm going to be putting it through more heavy use, and this is only part one of the series. So hope to see you guys soon on my next project. See ya.